Mm. Hi guys. Hi Hannah. Emma, did you join the Google Classroom, Hannah?
Huh?
Did you join the Google Classroom?
Yeah.
Okay, so did you go over the homework?
Um,
Not yet?
no.
I didn't get the homework. Like it didn't go. It wasn't in the Google Classroom. And then
I couldn't see it.
and then somebody messaged in the Google Classroom, so I was just waiting for you to respond on that.
Guys. Am I? Yeah, somebody messaged me and I did post the homework. Let me see. I don't know what you guys have
I
seen.
got it today, so I thought it was for this week, and I was like, I didn't know whether or not I should have done it.
No. That was for today. But other than that, review of surface area. 1 minute, I'm checking. Isha. G7 group 2, right? Yeah. No. You should have. I posted yesterday and gave 5 days time. Did you see that?
Oh
The
yeah.
one that today is different.
Is it the volume of surface area?
Volume surface area review.
Oh, okay.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Mine is. It was a little slow, so I think it just popped up today. Like I checked yesterday, it wasn't there.
Oh no. Yesterday evening it was posted. Okay, so I gave you 5 days time. You got it, huh? But today's will have more time. You got it? Does it make sense? Today we will review surface area and volume of cylinders and cones. Make sense? What are you doing in school, Mahana? What are you doing in school? Avyukt, Sanvi, Dhruv. What are you all doing in school, Prisha?
We just started volume of cylinders and spheres.
Oh, good. Okay, that's what we'll discuss today. Avyukt and Anirudh.
I didn't go to math this week.
Oh, you didn't go to math this week. Okay, will it be like that and all? Meaning you'll not have an entire week of math, is it?
No. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I was sick,
Oh,
and
yeah. I get it. Mm.
and on Thursday today, I attended school, but since it was a even block day, I didn't have it.
Okay, got it. Got it. It's okay. Okay, how about I really want to know from Riyanka.
But I do know that they're doing geometry, and they're doing like 2D composites, like 2D shapes. So they were finding like the area and the perimeter and stuff.
Okay. For you, Marianka?
We just started. Well, we finished like lateral and total surface area, and then for like 3D figures, and then we also did like cylinders, like their lateral and surface area as well,
Cylinders and then what, ma?
and then like 3D shapes, like their lateral and surface area.
Have you completed cones?
No, we haven't done cones.
Okay, so you have just started with the 3D shapes, volume and surface area. I got it. Okay. So let me move on to the Google Classroom. I just want to show Hannah at least how to do the homework. Hannah, are you seeing the board?
Yeah.
See my board? Okay. On the board, You have to look at, today night it's scheduled for 8 o'clock. So these two will be posted as homework. Okay. Now you go into this. Okay. You go into this. You can either, if you have a stylus at home, you can either work it out directly. Only if you have a stylus, you should not type. You got it? Otherwise, download, print, work it out and upload back. You can use Cam Scanner app. You got it?
Yeah.
You want to know how the others worked out? Let me show you. I really want to show how others worked it out. When you look at it, right? See, some are working in a just rough sheet. See how nicely work is shown here. Do you see it, Emma?
Yeah.
This is really okay. This is good homework. You see, but you know what? There is an answer key I give. So you need to correct against this and come back with question numbers that you did not understand. Am I making sense?
Mm-hmm.
See, Prisha has done using, this is not what I want you to do. You get it? Meaning, just like that, highlighting the answers. This is exactly what I don't want to see. You get it?
That week my classroom wasn't working, so I couldn't have time to download everything.
No worries, ma. Meaning I'm not picking. Don't worry.
No,
I
yeah,
didn't.
I just wanted to
that-
tell you, not like.
Yeah. I didn't mean to pick you. I know how dedicated you are, but at the same time, this is exactly what I don't want to see. Just highlighting the answers because I am giving you the answer key. See here, I am giving you the answer key. You got it? Did you get it, Mahana?
Yeah.
So I really want you to cross check, show work, and come back with questions. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you understand how to submit it, Ma?
Yeah.
Even a rough sheet. See, Riyanka might have. Oh, a rough sheet. See, he has done it using rough notebook. This is also well fine. Oh my gosh, you have to scan it. I don't want just the answers. I need to see work. If I see this, I cannot accept. You got it? Any questions with respect to the homework submission?
No.
See, I really like this sort of questions. See, instead of solving the problem using the formula, how should I solve it? He's asking, right? So some questions, and then he says he did not understand. I don't want to see just the answers like this. You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
This is not what exactly I want, okay? Because I provide the answer key. How will I know you did not get it from there? You see what I mean? I really want to see work. That's where I'm saying, see, this was really well done work. Get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yeah, ma.
Which one which one is this? Which homework is this?
2 weeks back.
Okay. I think I submitted it.
No, you didn't.
Oh. But I did the homework. My mom said she would text you because she said it was a lot of pages.
Yes. Correct. That was okay.
Okay.
I said okay to your mom.
But I did do
I remember, Dhanvi. Good job. Yes. Make sense? Does it make sense?
yes.
See, this is where I don't want to see. Hey, Ray, Prisha, I really want to see more of the. I really want to see more work. You got it?
Yeah.
Yep. Shall I move on? உருவா இருந்தா குடிப்பேன். Okay, let's see. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you. Give a minute, guys. I don't know what is going on. I'm not able to share anything. Share. You'll see my board, right? Okay. First, let's go over cylinder. Okay. You all know it's a prism, right? It's a type of a prism, right? What is it called? What type of a prism is that?
It's like a circular prism.
A circular prism, correct. So how to find out the volume? Who can say how to find out the volume? Volume we discussed last, right? Yeah.
Base height.
Yeah, ma. Anybody can say. Go ahead. How to find the volume of a prism? Go ahead, guys. You tell me, guys. I will help you, guys.
The area of the base times height.
Area of the base times height. Nice. Base area times height. What is the base area here?
It's a circle, so it's pi r squared.
Nice. It's a circle, so it's pi r square times height. Suppose if I give you the radius, the
For a
diameter,
cylinder, wouldn't it be pi r squared times? Oh yeah, it's the same.
I give the height as 4. Can you tell me the volume of this one? All of you in chat, quick. You can tell it quick in chat, then we can move on. I feel tired. Go ahead. What is the volume of that? It's very easy. Don't memorize any formulas. You all know well.
Wait, is 10 the radius or the diameter?
What, Emma?
Is 10 the radius or the diameter?
If I draw the diameter, then it's the diameter, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Miss Priya, how do you multiply by pi?
3.14.
Okay, let me ask you. Okay, let me make it easy for you. Okay, answer in terms of pi. Good question, Danvi. Answer in terms of pi means
So like,
you can have pi in the answer.
so pi like pi something something something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we just use 3.14?
Can you use 3? No. I just want the answer in pi. Then only I can compare.
Wait, I'm confused. You don't want us to use 3.14?
No. I want the answer in terms of pi.
Wait, so would you write like so you skip the pi part and then you just type like the radius squared times the height and then you write pi on the side?
Yes, correct. Good job. I can help you. Can I help you explain that once?
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Hannah, anything you can ask in this class, even if it be very weird, very minor, you can ask.
How do I write the symbol for pi on keyboard?
Pi.
Okay.
Good job. Oh my God, what I'm doing.
Miss Priya, is the formulation of my
Priyanka,
answer clear?
Priyanka, I'm wanting the volume, Priyanka. How did you get that? Sanvi, that's incorrect. Can you work it out on the board, Sanvi? Danvi correct, ma. Dhruv correct.
Thank you.
Anna correct, but I asked you to answer in terms of pi. Prince, welcome back. How was your India trip?
It was good.
After a long time, I'm seeing in class, right? Are you catching up, Prince?
I think so. Not really.
Hard, right?
A little bit, yeah.
I know it's a long break. Okay. But I hope all went well. Prince, that is incorrect. How did you get 400 pi? Prisha, correct, ma. See, ma, Prisha, instead of the 3.14, you just put a pi.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Priyanka, correct, ma. Prince, can you explain how did you get that? I'll help you, Hannah. I understood. No problem. I'll help you. Prince, how did you get 400 pi? Anirudh started sleeping. Did you get the answer, Anirudh?
No, I'm thinking that.
You're thinking. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. Prince, go ahead. I thought you answered and you're getting bored. Go ahead, Prince.
Is radius half of the circle, or I mean half of the is diameter half or is radius half?
Prince, I have to revive you from the dreams, I think now. Uh, for a circle, diameter is the longer one. Diameter is 2 radius. If the diameter is 10, radius is 5. You got it? Pi r square is the area of the circle. You got it? So
Okay.
volume is always base area times height. Okay, to answer Hannah's question, how to put it in terms of pi. So radius is 5, right, Hannah? Pi times 5 square times 4. What is that? Pi times 25 times 4. 100 pi. Does it make sense, Hannah?
Yeah.
I'll move on. Don't worry. We'll solve a lot of problems. Can I move on now? Mm-hmm.
Miss Priya, can you go back for a second?
I am sorry. Yes, I can. Wait, let me bring it back. Uh-huh. What is your question?
No, I just want to look at it real quick.
Sure. Sorry. Anirudh, did I answer your question? Answer in terms of pi means see pi is present in the answer. Sanvi, did you understand? Done?
Yeah.
Oh. One second. Missing dimensions we need to do though. Hold on. Yesterday in the other class, I forgot to do missing dimensions.
Wait, Miss
Give me.
Priya,
Yeah, ma.
why aren't we multiplying 3.14 with like the thing? Why are we just saying like pi times 100 instead of like doing the entire thing?
Rinka, ask a question, Rinka, again. I don't understand.
Like, why aren't we? Why are we just like leaving it as 100 times pi instead of like doing 100 times 3.14?
Oh, I don't want you to sit with decimals and fight with decimals now. I just need to move on. I just want you to understand the concept of volume and surface area. That's all. You got it?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Meaning, if I start asking you to multiply, right, it's going to take more time and I cannot finish what I want in class. You got it? You got it?
I get it.
Okay. Okay. How about this? Yeah, you can use calculators, guys. I think you can use calculators, but I would really like to see how you guys do this one. How about this? Try this one. I'm going to wait and watch. What about the homework? Oh, what does it mean, Hannah? I didn't get your question, ma.
Like, for the homework, you have to put in like terms of pi.
Oh, if it is so, it will be in the question. If it is so, it will be in the question. The question will say answer in terms of pi. Then only you should do. Otherwise, you should do decimals. Okay?
Miss Priya,
Rama.
for this question, is it the terms of pi or can I put pi as 3.14?
You no. See, it will be specified. Answer in terms of pi means then you have to do it in terms of pi. Otherwise, only decimals.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Try. What about? Oh, wow. Hey, is that right, guys? What happened to pi, guys? What happened to pi?
Miss Priya, I think you're muted.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. So here, for any prism with a parallel cross section, the volume is base area times height. Volume is always that. Suppose if they make it into a circular pyramid, that is when it gets divided by 3. We don't have a cone here yet. You got it? So the division by 3 is not applicable. Okay, it is a full prism. So what you need to do, base area times height, right? So base area is what? 4 pi. That you know because the radius is 2 centimeters. And then times height. Okay, so both are in centimeters. 4 pi 100. Now how to find out the height? Divide by 4 pi on both sides. You get 100 divided by 4 pi as your height. That you need to find. 100 by 4 might be 25. But what happened to the pi? So it should be approximately something like 7 point something. You got it?
That's why I put, cause I got like cause that's why I put 8.
8 is
I
okay.
wrote-
Yes, Danvi correct. Dhruv correct. Prisha correct. Riyanka correct. Sanvi, the pi cannot disappear. You have to take that into account. Ishan, where is that? And Arush, how did you get 25 pi? Are you doing it correctly, the computation? Avyukt, where did you miss the pi? Avyukt.
I forgot to use it.
Yeah, that is so important. You cannot forget there. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Slowly, I really want you guys to do it better. Okay. Now, I'm going to make it a little difficult. Like, you're going to try this one for me. Find the radius of a cylinder. See, finding the radius is easy, but there is one catch about it. You have to write the entire equation. Write the entire equation, solve the equation. Don't mentally solve these questions.
Do we use pi as 3 or do we use pi as 3.14?
Which is a better thing to do? You tell me, Prisha. Because here, see, they
Oh,
have
so
given it pi. It is wise. See, it is very clever on our part if we don't use calculators much and if we are able to cancel that pi. Is it possible? It is really possible. You see, did I give you a clue?
yeah,
Can I show you?
it's okay. I'll just like,
Okay, try. Anyway, I'm going to show you because there are some who did not understand. So see, find the radius of a cylinder with a volume of 108 pi. So this is given. But what is the volume? Base area times height. I will draw my cylinder, otherwise I'll get confused. This is 12. Volume is 108 feet cube. This is 12 feet. First, I need to check whether the units match. Then this base area is what? Pi r square. So I don't know the r, but the height is 12. So this I will equate it to 108 pi. 108 pi equal to pi times arc times 12. Divide by pi on both sides. I will get 108 equal to 12 times r. Now divide by 12 on both sides. What happens? 9 will be equal to r times r. R will be equal to 3 feet. Did you guys get it? Danvi, that's incorrect, Danvi.
Yeah, I just realized.
You got it. So these are very, meaning you have to sit and solve every line. Have you, did I make sense?
Yeah, but I still didn't get a clue what what do you mean by pi in terms?
There is nothing pi in terms. You see, I did 108 times pi is the volume they have given. I used it as is.
Oh,
Does it make sense?
yeah.
Okay, good. Anirudh, did you get it?
Yeah. Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, how did you get 12? Like so you wrote 108. Um, so like how did you get to 108 by 12?
Why did I get 108 times 12? Good question. The 12 is here. So I had to take that 12 out. So I divided by 12 on both sides.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to make it easier on you guys. Can you guys do? I'm going to put up a question on the board. You can answer that question. Volume of this cylinder in terms of pi. Right. Dhruv, that is incorrect. See, it's not as easy as you think mentally.
No, I accidentally did
Okay.
something wrong.
Priya, is my answer correct?
That is correct. Prisha, very nice to see Prisha.
Priya, did I get it correct?
Yeah. What is that S, Amma? Prisha, what is that S in your answer?
Oh, sorry, that was just an accident.
Okay. Anirudh correct, Prisha correct, Avyukt correct. I just want to make sure that's all. It's okay to make typos. Prince correct, Arush correct, Anna correct, Dhruv correct, Danvi correct. Can I move on? I think all of you are getting it slowly, right? In terms of pi. If I don't ask you what is the volume of this cylinder, if I just ask you, substitute pi equal to 3.14, multiply and get the answer. Sanvi, good job. How about this? Okay. One second, guys. How about this? See, everything is finding volume is so easy, you know. Okay, how about this? I really want you to be able to compare. Okay, this is higher order thinking problem. I really want you to be able to compare. A student said that the volume of a cylinder with a 3-inch diameter is 2 times the volume of a cylinder with the same height and a 1.5-inch radius. What is the error? Can I help you compare? So what is the volume of a cylinder with a 3-inch diameter? So what is the relationship between that cylinder and a cylinder with the same height and 1.5-inch radius?
Wait,
Can I
what's
help?
what's the height?
You don't need to know all that. It is just a higher order thinking problem. You have to relate two things. A student said that the wall, read the question multiple times, you'll get your own answers. Prince, that your explanation is not making much sense to me, but can you elaborate? Good, Prisha. That is very nice. Dhruv, please read the question. No, 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 no. Okay, Prince, I think you got it. But yeah, I get from the second explanation, I am getting what you're getting. But then, see, is the student right in telling that it is 2 times the volume? Good, Danvi. Good, Dhruv. Prince, can you correct it a little bit more? Hannah, your answer, ma. Got it? Hannah,
Yeah.
did you see what is the error, ma?
Hmm?
Did you see what is the error? Sanvi, I didn't get answers from you. A student said that the volume of a cylinder with 3-inch diameter. 3-inch diameter means what? The cylinder has a 1.5-inch radius, right? So, is 2 times, but I am considering a cylinder with 1.5-inch radius and some height I don't know. Now the thing is, volume of a cylinder with the same height and 1.5-inch diameter. Both the volumes will be the same, right? How can it be 2 times? So that's the error there. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and ask you. This is a good question. How about this? See, this is a great thing to understand a little bit more on cylinder volume. Cylinder A has a radius of 6 centimeters. Please draw the cylinder. Please write out the volume. Cylinder B has the same height and the radius is half as long as the cylinder A. Now, I want you to compare both the volumes of the cylinders. See, the only difference between the two cylinders is the radius is halved in the second one. So, I would really like to understand what will happen to cylinder B's volume when compared to cylinder A. They are asking the question in a different way. What fraction of the volume of cylinder A is the volume of cylinder B? Please read, think about it, draw both the cylinders, then you'll clearly get your answer. Oh wow, Prisha, you rock. Did you understand well, ma?
Yeah. Thank you.
Nice. Are you writing step by step?
Yeah.
Draw both cylinder A, B, mark the radius, mark the height. You'll clearly understand everything. There's no need. But the thing is, you have to do that in paper. I'll help you otherwise. Anirudh, how Anirudh? You're getting a picture, but I
Sorry,
think it.
sorry,
No,
I
no, no.
have numerator.
Should have put what?
Huh?
Priyanka, Priyanka, did you draw and check? Did you put the
Yeah,
volume in both?
yeah.
What happened to the volume?
I don't know. I don't really understand it.
Ma-
But I did draw it.
Can you show me? I want to see what picture you drew. Show.
I'm doing it because I have an expo marker and I'm drawing it on my desk right now.
That's where I want a pencil and a paper for the class, you know. I've told you, right, Priyanka?
Okay, I'll do it on a pencil and paper instead.
Thank you. Thank you. It's for your benefit. It's not like, hey, I would just want it to be done. It's at the end, it's so important that you guys get it. That happens only when you start drawing. You start calculating. Write your calculations on the paper. I'm not able to move so fast as the other class in this class. Very honest. Hmm. Good, Danvi. So what happens? Answer the question now. Very nice, Danvi. You did it step by step. What fraction of the volume of cylinder A is the volume of cylinder B?
To be honest, I just kind of just put like a random thing just to test just to
Correct.
make
See,
sure I was correct. So I just
that's
kept
how you
the
that's how you should do. This is A, this is B. The radius is 6. Avyuk, good job. Avyuk, what was the change, Avyuk? You tell me. Avyuk also didn't understand first. How did you get it now?
So the radius is now going to be 3.
Good.
And since the radius is 6, and we don't know even about the height anyways, the
Uh,
6 is going to be 36 pi times height, and the base is going to be 9 pi times height.
So
And
how do you compare the volume?
I just simplified it.
This is volume of
Volume
cylinder
of
A, right?
cylinder.
Let
Yeah.
me write it as volume of A. This is volume of B. They're asking what fraction of the volume of cylinder A is the volume of cylinder B. So 9 pi h, how did it reduce? They're asking. 9 pi h is equal to 1 by 4th volume of A. If the radius is halved, the volume becomes 1/4 because we do pi r square, right? So if the radius is halved, the volume reduces by 1/4. Let me see the same question. Let's say I'm going to change it a little bit. Cylinder A, okay, has has some radius, okay. Height was 8 centimeter. Cylinder B, height was halved. Height was halved this time. Okay, still has same radius. How did the volume change? What fraction? Same question. What fraction of volume of cylinder A is the volume of cylinder B? This is a tricky question, this time with height. No. Again 1 by 4? No.
Can you explain the question again?
Written on the board, right? I'm describing cylinder A, I'm describing cylinder B and asking a question, that's all. Cylinder A has some radius, cylinder B has the same radius. Cylinder A height is 8 centimeter.
Miss Priya.
Cylinder B height is halved.
Miss Priya, did I get the concept? I give you my answer.
Prisha, that's correct, ma. Then we know. Avyukt, correct.
God.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Can I get answers? Anirudh? Anirudh, you cannot calculate the volume, right? I never gave the radius. How did you calculate the volume? Dhruv,
No,
that's correct. Avyukt, that's correct.
no, that was a mistake.
Okay.
I forgot to type in the fraction sign.
Arush, anytime you didn't see the homework, just ping me WhatsApp, okay? Thank you, Pa.
Okay, Miss Priya.
Go ahead. Anirudh, you're doing great now. How are you doing in school?
Pretty good.
Good to know. Okay, now let me go ahead and explain. Hana, I'm not getting answers from you. Are you stuck? Sanvi as well, no answers. That raises a red flag. Hana? Hana, you there?
Yeah,
Did you understand or no?
not really.
You still didn't. I didn't see your message. I'm sorry. See, this is cylinder A. I'm going to draw it out and show you. Okay, this has some radius. The cylinder B also has the same radius. The height here is 8. The height is half here. So, Hana, can you go ahead and write the volume of this? Go ahead and write the volume of this. Send it to me. Sanvi and Hana, you're going to work and tell me both. What is volume of cylinder A? What is volume of cylinder B?
What's the radius?
I redid my answer. I thought that you were just still talking about the first one, the first problem. That's why I gave.
Go ahead, ma. Hannah and Sanvi, I'm waiting for your answers for both volume of cylinder A and B. Radius you don't have to know, Hannah. You can keep it as R. You're just going to compare, right?
Miss
Both
Priya,
are
is
R.
my answer correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, Danvi. Go ahead. Hannah and Sanvi, I am going to wait however long it's going to take. Send both the volumes. Hannah, good job. You got it. See? So your Sanvi, what are the volumes you're going to shout out now for me? Hannah, the intent is not at all to pick. You got it? This class doesn't intend to pick anybody or nothing of that sort. I want everybody to understand. Sanvi, can you please tell me what is the volume? What is the volume of cylinder A? You're in mute. Sanvi,
I don't get it.
how will you find the volume of cylinder A? I was explaining how to find the volume of cylinders, right? Go ahead and find the volume of cylinder A. You're going to explain to me, Sanvi. You don't need to do it there. You have to shout out now. The whole class is waiting and I want you to explain. Go ahead. How do you find the volume of cylinder A?
I don't get it.
What were you doing till now? I was asking answers for volume, right? How do you find the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a prism?
It's volume equals base area times height.
Yeah, the same thing. So why don't you try that here? What is the base area here? Radius is R.
Yeah.
Radius is R, ma.
Mhm.
So what is the area? No, Sanvi, I don't want you to do anything there. You're going to see the board answer. What is the base area? What is the base area of this?
It's not said.
It's not said, but I'm saying the radius is R. What is the area? It's a circle, right? So what is the area? Sanvi, I'm making the whole class wait. So it's important that you immediately say yes, no, I don't know, something of that sort. I cannot make the entire class wait for this long. What
I
is
don't
the
know.
base? Okay, so the base area of the circle is pi times r, right? So that's pi r square. What is the height?
8.
8. Good job. So the volume of the cylinder is 8 pi r square. What is the volume of cylinder B, Sanvi, now?
4 pi r squared.
Good job. So how do they compare? How do the volumes compare? The volume of cylinder A is given, volume of cylinder B is given. What is the relationship?
It's like
Mm. It's like what?
1/2, like
1/2. Good job. So volume of cylinder B is 1/2 the volume of cylinder A. Can I move on now? Let's see. There is one cone. Cone is a circular pyramid, right? When you see a pyramid, whatever volume you calculate for the same prism you calculate, but you have to without fail divided by 3. The division by 3 is important, right? That we learned last week, right? So let's go ahead and find out the volume of this cone with radius 6 and this cone height. This is the height of the cone, guys. Remember, this is the height of the cone, that is 10 centimeter. Now, can you tell me what is the volume of the cone?
We have to use pirate for the.
We have to use, you have to use pi, correct?
Wait, Miss Priya, in terms of pi?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Miss Priya, do we just like put pi and then the volume?
Okay, I'll let you answer in terms of pi. If that is making it easy, answer in terms of pi.
Okay.
I already answered and I put pi in it. Should I change it without pi?
No, not at all, man, not at all. Danvi, that's incorrect. Good job, Arush, without forgetting. Good job, Hana, without forgetting. You did what was required. Good job. Riyanka, very good job. You also divided by 3. Very nice. Sanvi, that's incorrect, Sanvi. Anirudh, that's correct. Good job. Many of you remember. Avyukt, I didn't get your answer. So here, what do you do?
I sent it to you.
Oh, really? Okay. Sorry, Avyukt. Then I honestly did not see, I feel. Prince, okay. Correct. Prisha, okay. But 36, 360. Prisha, your answer doesn't seem correct, ma. For some reason, I don't know why.
Wait, maybe should I try like doing it without using pi?
Yeah, with pi, with you just using pi, try because your answer is not making sense to me.
Okay.
Avyukt, I didn't get your answer, Avyukt. Oh, I got it. I'm sorry. You were the first one. Okay. Dhruv, did you get it? See, when you think about it here, right? The base area, I asked you about the cone now. However, the base area is a circle. So base area is 36 pi, right? And the height is the same 10. However, it's a pyramid, right? So you'll have to
So you
divide
divide
it.
by 3.
Yep. So it'll be 120 pi.
That's what I put.
Correct. Dhruv, correct. Okay. Now
Sorry,
let me move on. Yeah,
I
ma.
forgot to multiply by the height, and I accidentally multiplied by pi instead of the height.
Good. Now, for the cylinder, right, guys, I really want you to see my video. I'm going to talk to you about the lateral surface area and the total surface area of a cylinder. I really want you all to see my video as well. Do you see my video here? There's a cylinder, right, guys? Do you all see or no? Please tell me.
Yeah.
I want to show you properly. Let me see what I am showing you. Yes. Do you see the cylinder? This is my cylinder. See, this is my cylinder. Am I making sense? This is my cylinder. You all see it? You all
Yes.
see it? Okay. Now, if I unwrap, right, unwrap the cylinder, the same height doesn't change at all. It is such a short cylinder. Height does not change at all. You see, this height is exactly the same. I'm not changing the height. But the curvy area, right? The curvy area, right? The curvy area becomes what? Becomes what shape?
Flat.
Flat. So what is that shape? The curvy area became flat.
Rectangle.
A rectangle. What is the width of the rectangle? What is the width of the rectangle?
3.14.
No. Think about this. This is the cylinder. Cylinder had what base?
Circular.
Circular base. I unwrapped the cylinder. What happened? What was this of the circle?
Oh, the circumference of the circle.
That became what?
The width of
Flat.
the
The circumference became the width of the rectangle. You all got it? The circumference became the width of the rectangle. Did you see that? So how to find the curvy area? Width times height. Width times height. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Arush, are you in here? Width times height. Did you all get it, guys? Hannah, did you understand, ma?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, so what happens for the lateral surface area means only the curvy area, right? Now, suppose the radius was 5 centimeter and the height was 10 centimeter, let's say. Now, if I ask you for the lateral surface area, what happens when I unwrap the cylinder? It becomes a flat structure. So the height does not change at all. It's still there. But the circle no longer is a circle now. It becomes your circumference. What is circumference? 10 pi. Now, what is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means only the side area. What is the area? What is the side area? The area of this, right? What is the area of this?
100 pi.
Yeah. What is the total surface area, guys? 100 pi.
31.4.
100 pi. No, 100 pi. Then what you need to add for the total surface area? What do you need to add for the total
The
surface
base.
area?
10 centimeters.
Top and bottom area. Top area and bottom area are additions. What is the top area? It's after all a circle, right? So that's 25 pi. This is again another 25 pi. So what is the total surface area?
150 pi.
You all get it now? Easy? So
Mhm.
if you understand like this, nobody needs to teach you any formula. You can do by yourself any problem given. So the lateral surface area is just the curvy area. Curvy area, when you unwrap the cylinder, it becomes, this is the 2 pi r of the circle. 2 pi r times the height gives you the curvy area, which is the lateral surface area, the side area. Lateral means sides. Total surface area means to the curvy area, these two, top area and bottom area, gets added. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. That's a difficult one, right? How about this? I'll give you a cylinder. Find the lateral surface area and the total surface area if this is 10 centimeter. Answer in terms of pi. Try, guys. Try. You know, for this class, I did not cover what all I wanted to cover. It's okay.
Is
Let's
it
see.
lateral surface area?
Yeah, I want both lateral and total surface area. That's all. So volume of, for this week, you will work on volume of cones, cylinders, and surface area of cylinders. It can be both. Let's see. What's going on, guys? Danvi.
Yeah.
What is that? Why do you would need explanation? Lateral surface area, is it hard?
A little bit.
Why?
Give me a second. Let me just check if I'm correct.
How did you get that 50 pi through for lateral surface area?
The bottom, like the basis area was 25 pi.
Not area, right? Why are you finding the area? I'm asking you to find the lateral surface area, right? The
No,
curvy.
the area of the
Lateral means sides, not just the top and bottom.
oh
You get,
okay.
lateral means just the curvy area where it converts to a rectangle. Where circumference becomes one side, the height is maintained the same.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
I just
Prisha,
show
Prisha, that is right. Yeah, ma, Vyut.
I show off my question.
Yes, Hana, very good job. You can log off. Yes, Avyut.
So
Very
this,
good.
if I were drawing this, and so that
Go ahead.
this would be 4 centimeters, right?
Correct.
So then would this be
Avyut, you're getting confused. Height is always the height. Height remains as 4. Okay, the base only, the circle only gets unwrapped and becomes the circumference. Am I making sense?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Good. Sanvi, lateral surface area is incorrect, ma.
Wait, so the height is 10, but when you unwrap it, would the length be I mean the height is 4, but when you unwrap it, would the length be 10?
You are unwrapping only this. Okay, so that becomes 2 pi r. Okay, this stays the same height. Now that becomes a rectangle now. You get it?
Uh-huh.
So the lateral surface area is what? 2r is d, right? 10 is the diameter. So what is it?
10
10 pi.
centimeters.
10 pi is your length. And
But
then the rectangle sheet becomes 10 pi times 4. Correct? 40 pi. That is
yeah.
the lateral surface area. For the total surface area, you need to take the same thing into account plus 100 pi plus 100 pi. You got, I'm sorry. 25 pi plus 25 pi. You got it?
Uh-huh.
So 90 pi.
So yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, guys, I'll stop here. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss
Bye.
Priya.
Bye, thank
Forget
you.
Bye, Miss Priya.